So many people always ask the question, how can your website become valuable to you? How can you make use of your website to bring more value to your business? Okay, for instance, you always see so many people out there, leveraging on website or web application on the internet to grow their business and making cool cash flow from it. One important thing to note is that when you are leveraging the internet, you have the potential to go viral, meaning that you can go global, and the world as we know it can actually potentially see your business, your product, or your services. And that is the power of the internet, literally the power of the internet. But how can that become a benefit or strength for your business is what this video would be looking at. Now, the first thing you need to note is that the platform website has gone beyond just building a static banner. So many people will say, we want to build a website for our business, and after the website, that is just it. It's just a static banner, nothing from the website that will help you, and you are not actually making use of the website for anything productive at all. And that is the first weak point you should not. So what can you do with your website? What can you bring onto your website that would become valuable to the audience, to your potential customers, and that would make them will to always come to you, consult you for the value you offer. I'm a web developer and a digital marketer, and as such, I always want to give out valuable information, valuable content, valuable solution in order for me to create, wealth value from that. So you want to start looking at the concept of creating content, blogging. That is the concept of creating content. So when you blog, what you literally are doing, what you are doing is you are creating information, you are adding value into the marketplace, you are creating high needed value, something people are already searching for. They really want to know how to go about it, and you are offering the solution for free, literally for free, because it's a blog. And when people consume your content, consume your information, they are literally prone to want to relate with you. Okay, you are creating free value in order to create wealth value. So when you give out information based on what people are looking for, and people start consuming your content, visiting your website, reaching out to you for more information, then you are building your audience. And some of these people that reach out to you, you want to actually know them, and you want to see if they can be your potential customer. Okay, so the structure is very straightforward. You build a website and you are willing to start researching on what people are looking for, creating content, or outsourcing this, creating content for your audience, for your user, in order to first of all add value into somebody's effort. And from there, they will in turn reach out to you by visiting your website, by consulting you for further interaction or for further follow-up. And with that, you can always close as much potential customers for your business as available. Will you like that model? If you like that model, kindly put in the comment section. The second option, of course, alternative to that, is if you're a programmer, you want to start creating solutions. You want to solve people's need. Let me give you two instances that have become now complete, huge market, huge solution, huge value for the owner. We have Canva.com. Canva is a design platform. You can create your image content, you can create your video content, you can create your text content, anything you want to do. As far as content creation is concerned, you can make use of Canva, and that platform is literally free. Okay, the only premium aspect of Canva is when you want to look for anything advanced, anything out of place. But for a literal person, for a startup, you can literally start using Canva, and you would be able to solve your creative content. You have tons of templates available for you, and you have no limitation to what you can do with the solution. And guess something, guess what? Canva is creating a free value in order to set up or create a wealth value. So when you start using solutions, or when you start building solutions on your web application, you don't need to be adding content. You just need to make the solution functional and easy, user friendly, so that so many people out there can start visiting your website by themselves and signing up and using your solution. And once they start signing up, you start generating data that will help your business grow, because definitely you want to relate with some people, and definitely you want to converse and interact with some audience. So you want to build a solution in your own business niche that will be literally beneficial to your audience, and with that solution made available to them for simple opt-in, just sign up. You will be getting their data, their sign up information, their email list, and you can always remarket to them. And of course, don't forget that Canva, that I have made mention of, as a premium version, meaning that there are so many unlimited solutions that you can also bring on board on Canva if you are making use of the premium version. So, but then the idea is still there and it's still valid. Another one that has now become a multi-billion dollar worth of business and literally just changed the name from Facebook to Meta. Where we look at Facebook. Facebook is also a premium solution, a premium application whereby the value has been created for social media interaction, but at the back end we are now getting the data to remarket to our audience, our customers. And in fact, Facebook in its own rights has created a business.facebook.com where you can literally just create a Facebook ad account and you can run adverts on Facebook to Facebook users. Meanwhile, Facebook was created as a user-based solution that is for social interaction. There are tons of solutions out there that actually do same. Google is another example. Google is a search engine, and so many people use this platform for free, literally for free, to search for information. But at the back end, that data that you are entering into Google algorithm takes those data, and in order to know what people are looking for, and of course in order to present to them the best available product or service in the marketplace. So there are lots of things you can do online to bring your business to your potential customer. Just breaking it down into two, you can bring up information, which is adding valuable information to the marketplace, and people consume your information and relate with you. That is one thing you can do. Of course, you can also bring up a solution that will add value to people's life, and people will use that to solve whatsoever they want to do. And that on its own would allow people to come and visit your website, interact with your website. With that, they can get to know you, the creator, and you get to have their data. There are ways in this manner that you can actually get data and information, insight about your audience, and you can then remarket to them. These and so many other solutions are out there for you to tap into and make use of. So comment below which of these solutions you would really like to leverage on for your business growth. Do you want to leverage on creating content, which is easy and anybody can do that? Communication is important. Location is also very, very important. But then you may say, I don't have time to be creating content and to be every day creating new things, talking about probably doing podcasts, writing your scripts, your articles, and what have you. Probably I want to just focus on solving a problem, developing a solution, and making it available for the audience to make use of, and perhaps that solves so many people's need, and that alone is an added value to the public, which also brings added value to you and your business, as the case may be. So comment below if you are interested in any of these options, and if you also have alternatives, please comment below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I really say thank you, and also to appreciate that I'm setting up my new studio, and I'm just bringing up little by little, as I really appreciate your efforts. kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I wish you all the best. Thank you and God bless.